Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a Gucci unboxing and converting that item into a little crossbody bag. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Today I will be unboxing the Gucci Ophidia GG key pouch. I purchased this key pouch because I wanted to go ahead and turn it into a little bag. And so I will be going through the process of showing you how I am going to turn this little pouch into a little crossbody bag. So the first thing I did is I went onto Amazon and I looked for these D-hooks. I purchased 2 sizes that I thought may work with the little pouch. And so my initial thought was that I would put one on one side and one on the other side to see which worked best. But in the process of doing so, it became a little bit complicated, and I just went ahead and chose one of the D-hooks as my ring for the chain. And so here is the process that we are going through in converting the little pouch into a little crossbody bag. So at this point, we discovered that we needed to go ahead and leave the horseshoe type of the ring on so that we could put it all together. Otherwise, there wasn't a way to just put the rod through and then attach the ring to the rod. So just make sure that you leave it together so that you don't have the same issue that we had. Okay, so I wanted to try to put one of each just to kind of see how they look. These are a bit slimmer as far as like the width, but they have the same sizing here. So because it's so hard to get it in there because that leather's brand new, which trust me, I know you're cringing with this. But this is why I bought it, because I wanted to use it as a little bag. So I'm not encouraging you to do this. This is what I chose to do. So basically what we're doing is we took this little screwdriver and we put it through the little leather here. And so what that does is it creates a way to put that rod, that's what I'm going to call it, the rod, through there, and which is this. And so this is pretty thick, as you can see. It's the same thickness almost as this little screwdriver. It works to go ahead and push that through first. If you want to do this, what I would encourage you to do is maybe if you could find some of these that are smaller. These are 3 millimeters. So if you could find something smaller, it might be easier to put it through there. But the two that I did find, which were these and these, which these are a little bit more brassier than these, but these just fit the aesthetic better here. In fact, if you could get a smaller one, it might fit the aesthetic even better. But you also want to make sure that your strap is going to fit through there. And it doesn't seem like it intrudes with closing it or anything like that. Now, once I put the chain on there, this might be a little bit of an issue here with the zipper. Hopefully not, but that's kind of how we're doing that. Now you do have to keep it in the top part. You can't just put this through because it has to be connected to the other part. So that's how we did that. And again, I hate that I didn't think through this zipper situation, but I guess it could stay up like that. And we'll see how that works out once I put the chain on. The good thing is that once you pull this out, that leather is snapping back instantly. Like it's not staying with a little hole there. It's going back to its original size. Be very, very careful because you can scratch the leather. And my poor husband, I'm trying to get him to do this for me, but at the same time, I don't want him to damage it. So yeah, that's the way we did that. Okay, so now that this is all said and done, it was quite the task to put it together. And I never did find smaller D-hooks. I was trying to find something a little bit smaller. And the reason that I wanted to do that is because I took the chain off of my Gucci purse, and it has the kind of toggle type ends, and I really wanted to use the Gucci chain here, but as you can see, it's way too small, and so it just comes right through. So until I can find some smaller hooks, I had been using this chain from Coach. I bought this chain a long time ago from Coach, and it adheres fairly easily here to the ends. And so I really wanted to use the Gucci chain, but at the end of the day, who's going to know what type of chain you're using unless they are really nosy? I mean, this does not distinguish that it came off a Gucci product or that it's a Gucci chain. It just doesn't, to my knowledge, say anywhere. So basically, this is how it looks, and I'll go ahead and do some mod shots for you. But this was so adorable. I really did enjoy having this when I had to be at the hospital with my mom. It just made it easier to just carry my driver's license and my debit card in here and just a lipstick. And I'll be doing a video later on as to what fits, but basically that's what I had in here was just my lipstick, and I can show you really quick. I had my Pat McGrath lipstick and it fit in there easily. My driver's license fit in here easily. I do like also that it has the key fob, and so this is kind of interesting too, in that you pull it and twist. So my husband actually was the one who showed me how to open this because I could not open it. The Louis Vuitton, you have to like push it down, but this you pull it and then down. And so you can put your key there. So your key doesn't necessarily have to go in here. It can just hang here. I thought this would be really cute too if I wanted to attach it to maybe one of my other bags and just use it as a little purse decor. There's so many ways to use this item, and I really am happy with it. It's beautiful, and although people laughed and thought I couldn't fit much in here, I fit exactly what I needed. Key, license, debit card, and just threw it over my head and I was good to go. And so let me show you some mod shots really quick. And so basically this is how I wore it, just crossbody like this. And again, like I said, it served its purpose. It was kind of hard to put the D-rings on through that leather. There it is, just on my shoulder. So really, really pretty cute purse. I really do like it a lot. And I like that it's very versatile, because if I just want to toss it in my purse, definitely could just remove this strap, and it serves exactly for the purpose that you may have purchased it for to begin with. So that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.